Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about the exercise of chapter 5. I have solved the exercises of the book. Kindly take the screenshot as you always do. But before that, if you want us to make more videos, make sure you hit that big fat like button, because that just makes us happy, and when we are happy we make more videos. So please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more notification. So let's move on to the first section. Fill in the blanks. The first one is birds do not have dash to eat food. The answer is teeth. The next question is sunbird dash nectar from flowers. As you know, sunbirds has probing beak and it helps them to suck nectar from flowers. Next question is a duck has a dash and broad beak. So a duck has a flat and broad beak. A penguin uses its web feet to dash, and the answer is swim. Dash and jacana are wading birds. Answer is crane and jacana are the wading birds. Now we are going to discuss the match the following from section B. The first one is sunbird. Sunbird has a probing beak. Eagle has a piercing and tearing beak. Parrot has a curved beak. Duck has shifting beak. Swallow has sticky beak. Woodpecker has chiseling beak. And the last one, pigeon, has the crushing beak. Section C. The very first question is a sparrow uses its short and hard beak for, the options are sucking nectar from flowers, sifting food from mud, catching flies while flying, crushing of grains. And the answer is option D, crushing of grains. Next question is a hoppy takes out insects and worms from the holes in the ground with the help of its. The options are short, strong and straight beak, long and slender beak, broad beak that has holes on the sides, curved and hard beak. And the answer is long and slender beak. The next question is a bird that does not have strong and sharp claws is the eagle, duck, vulture and hawk. As you all know, eagle, vulture and hawk has piercing type of claws, so the answer is duck. Next question is bird that have two toes pointing upwards and two downwards are known as. The options are scratching bird, wading bird, climbing bird and perching bird. So the scratching birds have three toes in front and one at the back. Example is hen. Wading birds, long legs and wide spreading toes, crane and jacana. Perching birds, as usual, three toes in front and one at the back. Example sparrow. And the climbing bird, they have the two toes pointing towards and two downwards, are known as the climbing bird. So the answer is climbing bird. The last question is it is a perching bird. As you see over here, the options are sparrow, jacana, hen and duck. So the answer is sparrow. Let's move on to the section D. Answer the following question in brief. The very first question is, what do birds use for preening their feathers? First of all, we have to know about the preening. It means to clean the feathers and set them right. So the birds spread the wax secreted at the base of the feathers during this process. So the birds use wax for preening their feathers. Next question is, how is a crushing beak helpful to a pigeon? So pigeons have a short and hard beak. They use it for crushing seeds and grains and thereby make them soft before eating. Next question is, what are claws? So the feet and claws of birds are shaped to suit their perching and food habits. So the claws are the long curved nails present on the feet of the bird, and it can be used for climbing, protecting, holding food, swimming and also perching. Next question is, name 3 birds of prey. As you see over here, the 3 birds of prey are vulture, eagle and hawk. Last question from section D. What prevents the body of crane and jacana from sinking in water? Crane and jacana have long legs and wide spreading toes. This helps them to work in shallow water or mud. The widely spread out toes prevent their body from sinking in water. We will be discuss the section E. Answer the following questions. The very first question is, write the 2 main uses of a bird. So birds, like other living beings, need food, but they do not have teeth to eat their food. They use their beaks and claws to catch and eat the food. So the answer is to tear the food, to fight or catch the prey. Besides these functions, they also bite, chisel or crush the food. They also use it for preening their feathers. So the shape of the beak is according to the food habit of the bird. Next question is, how are claws helpful to a bird? So the feet and claws of birds are shaped to suit their perching and food habits. So claws can be used for climbing, protecting, holding food, swimming and also perching. The third question is, how does a swallow catch its food? So the answer is, a swallow has a small, broad and sticky beak. The beak is sticky from inside, and this helps the swallow to catch flies while flying. The fourth question is, how do web feet help a duck to swim? As you know, ducks and penguins are the swimming birds and they have webbed feet that help them to swim. The front toes of these birds are joined by skin, giving them a flat appearance. They use their feet to catch food and also helps in swimming, and they use it as a paddle and push the water while swimming. And the very last question from this chapter is, what type of feet do the scratching birds have? Scratching birds like hen have strong feet with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. Each toe has a sharp claw to scratch the ground in search of seeds, and insects present in the soil. I hope the question and answer of this chapter is clear to you, and if there is any problem you can call me. And goodbye, and stay safe and stay healthy at your home. Thank you all.